So I got a question from a friend of mine. He says that a doctor has diagnosed that a woman which is 4.5 months pregnant, the child she's carrying will be born completely disabled, and he has requested her to abort the child. He's asking about the Islamic point of view regarding.
At 4.5 months, the child already begins to breathe for himself, and not directly but through the mother, of course. But the child has already acquired an independent entity in the sense that if aborted, it could still live if taken proper care of. It has its heart complete, its lungs complete, all major organs complete, all of them are complete by that time. Only the breath of life is to be blown into him. And as you read in a tradition of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, at about this time, an angel descends and breathes the breath of life into the still unborn child. Once it has been done, then abortion should be out of question, because then it will be killing somebody. It would be tantamount to a murder. So let's visualize the same case at a different time. Suppose a child is delivered as disabled. Would any government of the world permit the parents to kill that child? So while his killing is behind the screen, smoke screen of his being unborn, or whether it is visible, it's the same thing. Killing is killing. So some mothers who do not want to face the ugly reality of giving birth to an invalid child, the one who is disabled, they think it's better quietly, without our ever knowing who it was, let him be destroyed. But that is tantamount to murder. But still, if the doctors declare that if this child is kept in the uterus until it is normally delivered, there is a real danger to the life of the mother. This boy can kill the mother as well. Then a different principle applies. For the sake of somebody who is really living, you cannot take risk in favor of someone whose life or death are uncertain. So the mother must be saved. In such cases, the abortion would be legal, religiously legal as well, but otherwise not.